Hello students, now today we will do queues in Python. So stacks we have already done. Now in stacks you have done the LIFO implementation, last in first out. So in which the last element which was inserted, so in a box we were keeping all the books and the last book which was kept can be taken out first. That was your stack. Now today we are doing queues. In queue, what happened when you stand in a queue for railway tickets, movie tickets? What happens? The first one who will stand in the queue in a line will get the ticket first. आज हम लोग क्यू कर रहे हैं. क्यू में जो लाइन में पहले खड़ा होता है उसको पहले टिकट मिलता है, तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है. मीन्स जो इंसर्शन इसमें जब इनपुट लेंगे, अपेंड करेंगे, तो वो रियर एंड में लास्ट में होगा और जिसको डिलीट करेंगे वो हमेशा फर्स्ट से होगा. So two operations we will do in this. One is enqueue, adds an element to the end of the queue. So this is very easy. A list we will take. We will use append to add an element to the end of the list. And using dequeue, we will delete. Dequeue function will remove the element at the beginning of the queue. So here we will use pop 0 to remove the element. Using del function also you can do it. Since CBSE has given the answer as pop 0 in the sample question paper, so we will be using pop 0. So our program will be like this. A list we will declare and using append we will keep on adding. So it will keep on adding, like first banana will be added, then grapes, then mango, then orange. So last element is orange. Now when you will use here fruits dot pop 0, it will pop or delete the last element. So when you will take the output, see the output, then banana, grapes and mango will be displayed, orange will be removed here. Again if you use here pop, then the next one will be removed, that is mango will be removed. Clear? So let us do it practically. Now in practical you are having a queue, this is an empty list. Here in the insert function, in your exam you will get this question of 4 marks. So insertion and deletion, these two will be asked. Now insertion module function I have used, in which I am asking the user to enter an element to insert, and then you are using append function to enter the element. Here q I have declared outside. Normally in theory paper you will see that q will be passed here as argument. So if it is not global here, then you can pass it as argument. Next will be your delete function. Now in delete function, what you have to check, first thing you will check is if q is empty, then we are printing here underflow q is empty. Else we will pop the first element, that is here FIFO is implemented, first in first out is implemented. So here the first element means 0 index. So first element will be deleted or removed from the queue. Now display is very easy. To display a list we use print and the name of the list. This is a menu driven program. So here choice 1 we will call the insert function. Let us run and see how it is being executed. Enter your choice. Here menu is displayed. Enter your choice. Now first one we will enter. So what happens here, if you enter 1, it will ask which element to insert. Suppose 10 I have given here. So 10 is our first element. Again if you give 1 here, then it will ask the second element to insert. Now you can see here it is in a queue. Queue means first 10 is being, then 20 is being inserted. Now again if you give here 30, 30 will be inserted. Like this it is inserted, appended at the end. Last one will be appended. Now 2 if you give, then here it is first in first out, so 10 will be deleted. So let us check here what to do. 2 I have entered. Now you can see the first element. Element deleted is 10 and the new stack is 20 and 30. So first element has been deleted. So this is your queue. In stack the last one will be deleted, that is 30 will be deleted. Program will be same as of queue. Only the difference will be here, instead of pop 0 in stack we were writing only pop and empty parenthesis. Pop empty parenthesis will delete the last element, whereas pop 0 will delete the first element. So this is your program. In exam you will be asked to write here. Normally the name of the function is given, so only the name you copy from the question paper. Rest will be, and the stack name also will be given here. This queue name will be given, list name. So I have given the list name as queue here since I was doing queue, and the deletion function is also given here. So this is over. So you do it practically. If you have any doubt, you ask in the comment section.